The first step in installing the GME E&S slide rail system is to dig a pilot cut. The cut should be 3 feet longer than the panel being used and approximately 4 feet deep. When the pilot cut is completed, place the outside panel in the trench. Backfill the panel on each side so it stands by itself. Next, drop the corner rail over the end of the outside panel. There are guides in both the panel and the rail to make sure it locks into place correctly. Dig another pilot cut 3 feet longer than the panel being used and 4 feet deep. This cut should be made at a 90-degree angle from the end panel. The outside panel can be installed starting at a 45-degree angle, then snapped into the rail and lowered into position. This procedure allows the panel to be installed at ground level rather than going up and over the top of the rail. It is important to check for level and squareness during the entire installation process to ensure proper fit and prevent possible binding during the removal of the components. Next, install the second corner rail. As with the first corner, lower the rail over the end of the outside panel. Dig another pilot cut at 90 degrees to the end panel. Install the third outside panel by swinging it into place from a 45-degree angle and lowering it into position. To check the squareness of the slide rail system, measure diagonally between the two outside panels and make adjustments as necessary. Also verify that the entire system is level and plumb at every step of the installation. Next, remove the remaining dirt from the inside of the system. At this stage of the installation, dig only as deep as the bottom of the outside panels. When installing the final corner rail to complete the system, use the corner rail template to aid in the alignment of the adjoining panels. This is a time-saving device which ensures that the last corner rail will go in perfectly. Lower the outside panels as you go. The panels should be lowered to approximately original grade. When this is completed, dig inside the bay, undercutting 2 to 3 feet below the bottom edge of the outside panels to prepare for the inside panel installation. Lower the inside panel between the rails, guiding it into place alongside the outside panel. Repeat this process on the other side of the excavation. The outside panels will no longer need to be moved at this point. The inside panels will be used to reach the desired depth. In cases where you have deep applications, additional panels can be added for greater depths. 2 panels can be stacked on top of each other and joined together with stacking brackets. The stacking brackets are pinned in place using the lower panel lifting eyes. When installing the inside panels, it is important to undercut the panels by a few feet. This allows the panels to slide down easier. To remove the GME E&S slide rail system, backfill the trench inside the system and remove the inside panels. Once all the inside panels have been removed, backfill to the outside panels. Then remove all the outside panels. The final step is the removal of the rails. In extreme cases or difficult situations, such as deep excavations or exceptionally heavy soil pressure, GME offers a panel extractor to aid in the removal of panels that are bound. GME's panel extractor utilizes current pipe bursting technology in conjunction with other equipment typically available at the job site. Simply connect the extractor to the bound panel and to the excavator. Then apply the pneumatic pressure. Through the combination of vibration from the extractor and the pull of the excavator, the bound panel will break free and begin to move.